Honorable C note.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title, this is a maintenance vlog praying for my 22nd birthday. We're not doing anything too crazy, just a dinner and then most likely going out later on. I just thought I'd bring you guys along with me to all of my appointments, nails, toes, lashes, my hair. I am going to leave. I'm gonna get my makeup done. Tomorrow I have my toe appointment. Just going to use this, got this from the store the other day. I didn't realize until after I booked. The girl actually doesn't do actual pedicure, rubbing and stuff like that. It's just acrylics. So I'll check in with you guys tomorrow at my toe appointment.
There's some bad out there that I really wanna sex up. They'll probably only let me cause I'm next up. Got me feeling like a nigga now, yes sir. Running through and looking for a down. It's like looking for them hitters on SoundClick. Hoping someone else ain't already killed it. Wait up for real, you exclusive, I found it. Baby say it's true, I don't wanna have to wait on you. These are things I gotta say to you. Make me feel irreplaceable, baby, cause I can't call it. With other niggas I won't even bother. Young Papa, tell them who taught you. Let me put my stamp on it, let me cry about them. Other niggas out the picture, I say, mother niggas, won't you say it with me? Hey. My homeboy left the crib, tell me, baby, you should stay with me. For as long as I'm here, baby, that's okay with me. For as long as you want, baby, that's okay with me. For as long as you want, baby, that's okay with me. How does it sound? Kid girl, come spend the night with me. Say whatever, just don't lie to me. Stepping out, no, I want you on the side of me. Mama, you could come work full time with me. Roll through in the beam and get inside to the window.
So that is how the finished look is for the toes. They look really good. Me and her had the best conversation throughout the entire appointment. Definitely be returning back to see her soon. Tonight we do have a few things that we have to do, so I just gotta pack my bag for this weekend. I'm gonna be staying up at my sister's. My nail appointment is out there with my cousin. I also do have to do my makeup at her house the day of my birthday dinner. Also have to fix my lace just because it's looking a little bit dark and kind of dirty. Cue the montage right now. I don't really want to talk too much because I look disgusting, so let's get into it.
Said shots in the mail, but I beg to differ. Think she won't tell, bro, I beg to differ. Spoke to your girl when we went for dinner. Dip when they hit 12 and she left the slipper. Do it by myself cause it's less trivial. Think you're stressing me hard, yo, I beg to differ. Second off the shelf, bro, I beg to differ. Think it's someone else, bro, I beg to differ. Don't hit my soul, less it's money in hand. Labels that rang, moving funny with gang. Let it bark in the park, man, I've done it and ran. But they wanna tell me about our government plan. Said we did it cause we never had a chance. No one board, you know, hood hit us like an avalanche. Tell them break a leg, now they wanna grab an arm. Now they got a tech, all they wanna have is palm. And it's hard, no milk in the yard. Bills my march discard, cause she gave me the half. And you really think I'm taking the last place? Don't make me laugh, made the one they envy, but they can't hate. I'm the one that they doubted, you know. Try to take me down and we going out together. And to really think that we were brethren, you know. I think you'll do that shit again, but I beg to differ. My favorite girl had...
So that is how the lashes turned out. I really love them. She only let me record the before before and after shot though, so I didn't get that long of a montage. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'm at my sister's house now to like do a whole shower routine, shave my whole body, do whatever. And I think I'm gonna go out with my friend afterwards, trying to get me to go to some, I don't know, whatever turn up that's going on tonight. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna try to get ready really quickly, and I still have a few things that I have to grab from the store, so hopefully I can make it there before I go out with my friend. Super basic, but I'm using Dial Pamper and Indulge body wash. They changed the bottle for this. It's one of my favorite body washes, has always been. Super long lasting. To use that with their bar soap, it smells so good together. Also, I have to shave everything, some hair and everything, because I want to be soft tomorrow. Soft girl, not wildebeest.
She said, can't know what I've done. Can't go where I'm from. Your lips can't lie, your eyes can't hide. You were too young, How I adore our love would be so true. I just wish you knew I'd be all yours if my mind didn't wander. I got scars from a life before you. Please don't think I'm insecure. I just can't trust no one. Please don't think I'm insecure. I just feel safe by myself. She said, can't know where I've gone.
I don't have any makeup and I don't really have like that much time, so I just rushed to get ready. It's literally the only thing that I've had to do other than pajamas to check in with you guys, that I just rushed to get ready really quickly. And I'm probably gonna vlog on my phone if I do vlog anything. Yeah, this is like not planned at all, so let's see where the night takes us. Okay guys, so update, today is the next day of my dinner, birthday, whatever. We have a bit of running around to do. I just have to go to the mall and get a few accessories and stuff, so I'll take you guys along with me for that. I also have to get my nails done at 4:40 and I have to do my hair, so we're on crunch time right now. I'm just wearing this hat, one of my sister's hats, because last night was just spontaneous. I didn't vlog anything because we got ready too late, so we ended up missing whatever motive that my friend had. We're kind of just looking for a vibe, and we found one, to say the least. So anyways, gotta get going. So I just thought I'd give you guys an update and let you know what's going on. And I'm also wearing the same bodysuit. I know I wasn't wearing it long yesterday, but this is all I have here, so I will update you guys a bit later.
Got this shit about the blood, still running like I'm trying to get my way up. When I gave too many chances to you niggas, I can't let nobody play us. Yeah, I got in my bag when I looked up, ain't seen nothing but a bunch of haters. No matter how much money we went through, we never let the paper change us.
I done ran it up out the mud. I get paid to pop out the gloves. Put my pound in them in my blood. I watch people change, I can't trust them. I got rich, but I'm still hustling. I run full speed to that cash. I can feel the shit in my cab. Must reminiscing back when they ain't have nothing. Now they acting like they all happy for me. What was you at when I needed it? When it come to money, I'm greedy. I'll try anything just to please you. You can take everything if you leave me. Ain't tryna say I'm perfect, but I'm decent. Ain't going back, bro, for no reason. A trip in my diva pot, don't need bounty to clean it up. I'm the quick to be.
Back from shopping, I didn't end up going to the mall because honestly it's just a bit too far. I might go a bit later on, but if I don't, then it's not really a necessity. It was just more like a preference. I just wanted to get some more accessories and stuff for my outfit. start doing my hair now. I don't want to talk too much because I really gotta get my hair done. My appointment is pretty soon. I'm so tired and I just want to be ready so I can relax later on.
No matter how much money we went through, we never let the paper change us. In a race with the stars. All the niggas who ain't bet on me know they wouldn't go far. Know they can't go right for me, no matter how many cars. Who crashes that trauma, still trying to cover the scars. Ain't taking no headshots, cause you know we been hot. Always on the target, never miss like a red dot. Always on the go, be wherever the jet stop. Coming from a place where they be shaking they dreadlocks. Got this about the mud, still running like I'm trying to get my way up. When it gave too many chances to you niggas, I can't let nobody play us. Yeah, I got in my bag when I look up, ain't seen nothing but a bunch of haters. No matter how much money we went through, we never.
I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all this shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, but girls want girls where I'm from. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls.
About the mud, still running like I'm trying to.
I'm a bit worried. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm a bit worried. It's okay. The front is good. It's the back. Y'all. Maybe y'all look at the video.
No matter how much money we went through, we never let the paper change us.
I done ran it up out the mud. I get paid to pop out the gloves. Put my pound in them in my budget. I watch people change, I can't trust them. I got rich, but I'm still hustling. I run full speed to that cash. I can feel the shit in my cab. Must have reminiscing back when they ain't have nothing. Now they acting like they all happy for me. What was you at when I needed it? When it come to money, I'm greedy.
I was there from 4:40 until 8 o'clock. But honestly, she did such a good job, like really took her time, sure that the shape was good and everything was good. They were so cute and so sweet in there. So I'm definitely gonna be going back there. Getting back to my sister's now to get ready. Makeup artist is running late, luckily, thank God, because I would be late. It's on the other side. So yeah, I'm gonna start getting ready, so I'm not gonna be talking too much.
Oh,
to self. Stay true to self. Shorty, I can use some help. And you know what to do to help. Going in circles, trying not to lose myself. No. Check up, how can I check up? Tell you I messed up. We could go somewhere nice, get pretty and get dressed up. Always said I should keep you fed and not fed up. Always said if I ain't happy, give you heads up. I would rather get back down, long stroke, legs up. No, I'm forgiving you the best love. No, I wouldn't give you nothing less, love. Used to look at me and tell me don't stress, love. That's why I need you whenever I'm stressed, love. Cut me off, told me stay blessed, love. Hey, stay blessed. Changes. Right now I'm going through changes. We upgraded to a crib that's spacious, but this house is not a home without you, baby. Ain't shed a tear, you just left on me. Chuck the dude told me, stay blessed, told me. In due time I regret, especially when I remember you was rapping when they slept on me. Hey, it's been too long, I gotta know what must I do to get me back right beside you, whenever you decide to. Alright. Say it's what I get for lying to you. I can talk to you whenever, say whatever. Yeah, you was my best friend, so I'm lying to you. Used to look at me and tell me don't stress, love. That's why I need you when I'm stressed, love.
Okay, everybody, so thank you so much for watching this video. I wasn't able to do a proper outro just because I was in such a rush after I finished my makeup, but I got some really cute pictures. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Right, I will see you guys in the next video.